Hey guys, so I'm going to actually show you how to set this up in a binding system here. I am doing the hidden hinge system, and in the next video I will show you how to attach the hinge system into an actual book form. So for right now, this is kind of the sloppiness of it, and I'm going to show you how to put the pages on. What you will need is two 12 by 12 pieces of paper, and measure the pieces so it is 9 inches long. And then on one of the pieces of paper, the 3 inches that are left over up here, you're going to need to cut that one 3-inch piece down to 9 inches along with the other two pieces. And you're going to have to score the paper at every 3/4 of an inch. So every 3/4, score it. And then you're going to take two pieces of paper, or not two, I'm sorry, two of the folds, and you're going to have two together, one down, two together, one down. The whole way accordion folded, just like so. I know I'm not doing a good job on that, but on explaining this, but there are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do the hidden hinge system. So I just kind of wanted to briefly talk about that, and I'm sorry, I'm going to guide you to another video on how to really get this together here, as far as hidden hinge system goes. So once this is all done like that, I'm going to come down and quickly tape this up together here. Let me get some more tape on this end. I'm just doing this video quickly so I can kind of give you an idea of how this album is supposed to turn out and look. Sorry that it is taking so many videos. I'm not very video savvy. I do better with taking the photos. Okay, so now that you have the two pieces kind of sticking up like so, I have 2 pages left. I've already done 5 pages here for you. So I'm going to just do the last 2. On the short one, we're going to start with this little piece, one right here. This is what we need to do. This right here measures 3/4 of an inch, which works out fine for this. We're going to put the tape right onto here. Make sure you get a good amount of tape on there. I don't always have the best of luck with the tape on the hidden hinge, and I end up turning to the hot glue gun for it. So just a FYI, in my opinion, I think the hot glue gun does work better on hidden hinge as far as getting the paper to stick on here. Now, you will notice it does not cover the whole slab. There is this little piece here. I take my X-Acto knife. Do not push through all the way, because you'll end up cutting through to the other side, and you do not want that. So it will give you a little bit of a crease line that's right here. I don't know if you could see it. And then I take my scissors and I just kind of cut it down straight there. I do not want to cut this piece off. Oh, my hand's in the way. I do not want to cut this piece off, because then it's going to leave a rip opening in the binding system, and it's just bad. In my opinion, it's bad. It's through trial and error. Maybe you can handle it and be fine with it. I'm not okay with it, so I'm not going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape right on here, like so. And I'm just going to push it down. And that's it. And then that gives me this page here. Now, for the final page, which is this one, I'm going to put the tape right on this slab. Slab. Whatever you feel like calling it. Alright, like so. Make sure you get the good amount of tape. Now, the problem with this is I try and make sure I line it up correctly, but then also, I hope you can kind of see it, I want to pick up this right here and just make sure I'm pushing this on here, but enough for it to give room for the tabs to kind of come up here, like so. Then I take my handy dandy boner here and push it on down. The extra pressure does help out some. And that is how you do it for all of the pages. So you will end up with something that looks like this on the one side. Pretty thick album, I think. Oy. Then, now we have this. Here will be one page. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the next video, I will show you how to actually get this all put together into an album. For the next video, you will need one 12 by 12 piece of chipboard. Thank you for watching.